Hello, I'm RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, I'll be explaining the overview of a Todo app with a Share UI, which is a sample app. You can get the source code for the Todo app from the GitHub URL in the description below. The components adhere to the configuration created by the Kotlin Multiplatform wizard. This Todo app consists of two components, composeApp and iosApp. In composeApp, there are three source sets: commonMain, androidMain, and iosMain. In the diagram, iosMain is omitted. Let's delve into the architecture. It follows the Model-View-ViewModel pattern. The commonMain source set of the composeApp component contains View and ViewModel. The androidMain and iosMain source sets of the composeApp component access these views. Each view and view model are responsible for the list screen and edit screen. The commonMain source set of the composeApp component also includes the model layer. Todo repository handles the retrieval, update, and deletion of Todos. Screen settings repository manages the state of light mode and dark mode. In the upcoming sessions, we'll explore dependency injection, resource file loading, screen navigation, and logging. A key aspect of learning will be how to standardize these processes across different OS platforms in commonMain for the native UI version. That's all for the explanation in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more Kotlin Multiplatform content.